Okay, it's the blizzard, the great blizzard of 2011. Going out. We're going out. Look at those snowdrifts. Oh my goodness. Oh, Benji. Benji, look. Shy. Hey guys. Mason. Mason, should we make you a snowman today? Oh, holy cow. Look at this snow. You think we got enough snow? Jackson, you could snowboard off these drifts. Look at this. Look. This is the garage. And now, that's our driveway. That's the driveway. Look at that drift. Oh my goodness. Holy cow. I mean, that's the fence. Look at that. Look at that. And there goes Shy. Oh man, the dog's just up. There goes Benji. Go, Benji, go. Go, Benji. Go, go. Good job. Oh gosh, it's really beautiful out here. Really beautiful. Sure not going to be fun trying to dig out of this. We'll do it. We'll do it. We're Chicagoans. We're tough. Still snowing. It's about 9:30 on, let's see, February 2nd. I think Benji's trying to go potty. Oh, yep, he is. Yes, he is. Wow. Wow. Hi, Ben. Hi, Shy. Go, Shy. Go, 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 go. Go, go, Shy, Shy, go. Shy, Shy. Woof. Barking at the neighbors. Oh, Benji found his piece of firewood. He loves chewing on firewood. These drifts are incredible. Lucky for us, the way the snow came down, the winds, the drifting, there's like barely anything by our back door. Wow, look at the stairs going downstairs. Tool shed. But our front door is like, there's at least a 4-foot drift. So we'll have to dig out of there. You can hear the snow blowers going. Jerry gets to use his snow monster today. He's home. His place is closed. Most places are. It's really quite beautiful. You don't have to do anything. Benji. Hey, Ben. Benji. Ben. Hi, Shy. Hi. What are you doing? Come on. Let me see you run. Go, Cheyenne, go. Cheyenne, go, go, go. Go, go, go. What do you want? You want to go back in the house? Are you done? Come on, Shy. Come on. Let's go. Try walking over here. Oh, there he goes. Oh my gosh. God, he just went over this huge drift. I don't know if I got it on camera. It's so cool because the middle of the yard, it just drifted out. So they've got this flat area that they can walk in. But then out towards the back of the yard and around the sides, just huge, huge drifts. Look at my neighbors. Look at the drift in the middle of his driveway. Oh my God. That's going to be fun. Holy cow. Wow. Wow. Look at this. That's Leo and Betty's house. Holy cow. Man, those are the winds. Oh. Okay, enough of this.